good morning, good timers. As you can see, it is beach day here in Pemaquid. Simone's got her bikini on already. And we are off to Pemaquid Beach. It's about 9 a.m. right now. They just opened up the beach, so hopefully it won't be too crowded, but it's going to be a warm 100 degrees or so today on the beach, so probably be quite a few people. So that's why we're getting an early head start. We'll see how long we make it over there. All right, we'll see you down the beach. Okay guys, as you can see, we've made our way to the beach. Just as I'd hoped, it's not too busy yet, so that is good. Waves are actually quite large today. There's a cold front coming in, so supposed to get lots of storms tomorrow, but today hopefully will be just fine, and great day for the beach so far. Nice breeze, not too hot, not too many people, just the way I like it. One fun activity to do here in Pemaquid Beach is to watch the lobster boats right there pick up their catch of the day. They are allowed within 300 feet of the shoreline, and that's as close as they can get, but you can get a pretty good view of them picking up their traps here during the day, especially on Mondays through Saturdays. They have Sundays off most of the time, but yeah, fun activity to do while you're here. And right here at the beach, guys, they do have a gift shop, plus you can rent chairs and boogie boards and umbrellas, of course, as well. Also got Round Top Ice Cream, which is a local ice cream spot, and a full snack bar as well, with lots of seafood options and burgers and hot dogs and things like that. So one-stop shopping here at the beach, and restrooms, which Simone enjoys. Very convenient. All right. No, it's definitely not a porch on there. Actually, nice and clean and large. How's the water today? Cold. Very cold. Yes. The water remains a balmy 61 degrees according to the forecast today. Oh. But I'm gonna guess it's closer to 55 here. It's a little nipply. I'm gonna leave it at that. Simone getting ready to sacrifice for the team. She's taking the ice cream run. I trust her judgment on what to get me. Lunch has arrived. Simone is shielding it from the penguin. Just kidding, seagull. Oh, you got a big cone.
That's supposed to be my cone.
Oh, okay. Well, take it off my.
Well, I will once I hand sanitize.
All right. So we got grasshopper with a cone for Simone apparently, and raspberry chocolate chip thing. So, yeah. Eat that cone before your seagull does. Okay guys, hanging out on the porch back at the cottage. Clouds came in while we were at the beach, so we ended that about an hour ago. Came back here, had a shower to get all the suntan lotion and sand off us. But yeah, we are hanging out here, having a few drinks. Little rum rum punch. Yeah, there you go,
It's a little
Simone.
cup.
In a solo cup that we found here, thanks to the previous guests, I'm guessing. So nothing says classy like red solo cups and a little bit of what, mango juice and rum.
One less dish to do.
Yes, right. One last dish to do. So tonight our plan is to go have some dinner over at the Contented Soul, which we have not been to since they moved to their new location. So hopefully we'll go try that out. Didn't actually make reservations, so hopefully it won't be too busy. If it is, then we'll find something else to do. But if we do go to the Contented Soul, then we'll probably do a food review, which will be in a different vlog. And yeah, so join us over there as soon as we get done drinking up. Made our way over here to the Contented Soul now. As I was saying earlier, this is the first time we've tried out this location of it. And yeah, looks a lot bigger than their old location that used to be on Pemaquid Harbor. But we will check out the inside here and have a bite to eat. All right, we had a great meal over at the Contented Soul. You guys can check out that full food review on another vlog here coming shortly. But we've now made our way over to the fort area, Colonial Pemaquid. You can see the fort there behind me. You can actually go into this fort. I thought it might be closed by the time we got here because it's now 7 p.m. at night, but it does appear to still be open. You can actually go inside and you can walk to the top. So we'll see if the top is still open or if somebody is just not finished closing up yet. Either way, you do get a great view from over here of the Pemaquid Peninsula.
You can see like they're doing digs and stuff like that.
Yep. Now this fort has been rebuilt at least once that I'm aware of. And the original fort was never actually used. It was built as a deterrent for a British invasion, and it apparently worked because they never got invaded. And here you are, Fort William Henry, originally built back in 1698.
Watch out for that door.
Yep, so you first come in, there's a big ass rock. And it is literally called the Old Fort Rock.
Do you smell what the rock
So the rock has been here since 1607, and they actually built the fort around it because it was a lot easier than removing it. And you can walk all the way around. All right, we are going to head upstairs and see how far we get. And level 2 of the fort, guys, is a little museum area where they tell you all about the military life and have some artifacts they've dug up from the nearby Colonial Pemaquid area. All right, let's go up top and check out that view. So from the fort, it is just a quick walk over to the Colonial Pemaquid area, and they have the remains of the dwellings from 17 and 1800s down here, which is pretty cool. They also have a little museum here, which is closed right now because it's later in the evening, but also very cool. And they do some reenactments and demonstrations right over here. Ta-da! Right here at this little house. They do those various times during the summer. I think they even have the times posted over here on some signs. But we've been here for a couple of them, and they're always interesting. So we are coming over here to see if we can catch a sunset. We've had pretty good luck so far. We've caught two of them. One over by our cottage.
Yep.
And the other one was, I don't remember
At
where
the
the other one
beach.
was. The beach, that's right, the beach. First night we were here, we caught that. So if you haven't seen that yet, go back and watch that vlog. That was probably out a couple weeks ago. So yes, the first dwelling. We're not going to show them all to you, but just so you know what is around and what it looks like. And there you go. And on each dwelling there is a sign that says what it is. If we actually walk to the other side here. It does look like it's shaping up to be a decent sunset over here. Alright, so each dwelling has a little history. Looks like this one used to be the jail. So there you go. A very small jail, but when you think about it, there's probably a very small colony here. So looks like it was built around 1674. The total population then was between 150 and 200 people. So there, guys, is the museum. It looks a lot better inside than it does outside. I will say the state of Maine probably needs a lot more donations because they need some fixing up. But inside, very cool museum there. And right beside it is the former home of the Contented Soul. We just came from the new restaurant, but this is where the old one used to be till 2 years ago when we had a big December and January storm right within 2 weeks of each other. And the December storm started the demolition, then the January storm cleaned it up. So between those two storms, this did not fare so well. As you can see, the sign is pretty well gone. It's not Content anymore for sure. And there is a dock over here, which you certainly don't want to try to walk on anymore. But that's where the dining used to be, was outside along the dock. And it used to be a beautiful view while you were eating your lobsters, and in my case, pizza. And dirty fries, but it has since been pretty much destroyed by those two storms. As you can see, you can't even walk on it anymore. And if you look closely under here, you can see where the dock has actually come off from the moorings as well, and it's warped at the end. So definitely not something you want to walk out onto anymore. So we're not going to.
Yeah. You
But
can actually see inside the old restaurant too.
yeah, you can.
Pretty
They had some damage inside, so the inside completely flooded, the outside completely flooded. The waves were off, or over, I should say, the top of the dock, and the winds were howling hurricane force. And yeah, this is the result. So they do have a great new location though, and it was excellent food and a very nice spot. So all right, let's see if we can catch a sunset.
hearts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. A break to my heart, it's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't wanna face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors. I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free out in the open.
All right, guys. It was a semi-sunset, we'll call that. But the sky was really cool there, so it was fun and interesting, no matter what. But yeah, definitely clouded in here tonight, so they are calling for storms tomorrow, so not sure what we're going to do tomorrow. We may be outside watching storms. We shall see. Join us then,
Storm hunters.
because we're done for today. All right, heading back to the cottage, having a little nightcap. So until next time,
Have a good time.
have a good time. We'll see you on the next one.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the